you know about my campus. My campus is Karamalmi campus in Espoo. Today I will show you my campus. We have in my campus library and cafeteria. Also we have the Ravantola and means restaurant and classrooms. I will show you my campus. So come with me. We will see the so many things in campus. This is the entrance of campus. You are seeing laptop. There we will create an access card, and this is a reception area. Show you the library. From here you can borrow books and read them, but you need to return book on time. If you don't have to return on time, then you have to pay fine. From here you can borrow books related to your study. Here is a student service also. Here the floor numbers of classes are written. For example, I have reached 6th floor in the diploma room. Diploma room is E670 and 6 written here means I am on the 6th floor, and E670 means E. If I go here, I will get the E670 diploma room in this direction. There is a small kitchen type in front. You can drink your coffee here. There are machine installed. You can also buy coffee by accessing your card. You can also make your one coffee here. The classrooms are here like this, with the projector on the top and screen in the front where you can study. This is the sitting plan of classrooms. This is the small sitting area where you can sit and have your study related conversation, or you can just relax for a bit in your class break. This is diploma room where I was supposed to come. You can come and ask any query you may have here. And those of you who come for the first time, you can also get your access card from here. We will activate it at the reception area, but we will get the card from here. Okay, bye bye. We will meet in the next video.